Hey Brian, Dan at Tater and Son Chevrolet. Just doing this video for you. We do have a client that's supposed to be here tomorrow morning. I don't know if it'll sell or not, but I'm going to run this video for you anyway. It's about 5 o'clock our time. The camera just got back. Anyway, nice straight body. This is the left side. Tires are excellent. Got step boards. This will last a couple minutes here, Brian. Open the door up for you. Nice clean upholstery. No real wear signs in this power seat here. Dash is all clean, windshield's good. Back, and on this particular truck, the way that the seats do fold. Bed rail caps, rear tire, the box, a few scratches on the fender well there. I don't know if you can see those little drill holes in there I told you about. Tailgate, inside of the back of the tailgate's immaculate. Sides of the box inside are great. Tailgate's in perfect shape, bumper straight, trailer toe, wired. This will be the right side, nice straight. I don't see, I mean, if there's a door ding, I'm missing it. Paint's all good. And there you go, sir. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.